Hi students, I'm going to show you today how to check your class activities and upload an assignment to me through myBlueprint. From your home menu, click Class Activities and then click the class that you are in. Here's an Applied Skills 8 class. Now, it'll show you the assignments I've uploaded for you. This student has a My Canada Food Guide assignment, which is a media assignment. Media assignments mean you have to upload a file to me. Here you'll see supporting documents. It could be a worksheet, it could be an info sheet that you need to look at. Also, instructions. Make sure you read instructions really carefully before you start the assignment. When you're ready to post, you're going to click this blue Start Activity button. All I want you guys to do is just keep things simple. Give it a title like, here's My Canada Food Guide assignment. And then for the description box, you just need to say, here's My Canada Food Guide. Something simple. Then what you're going to do is we're going to select the file you want to upload with me. Now, it could be a file, could be a Google Doc, could be audio, video, or even a picture. But really what I want you guys just to click is this file button, the paper clip here. Click the file that you want to upload, either from your phone or for your computer. Here, we're going to upload a PDF of the food guide assignment that this grade 8 did. And then there's the icon. You know you've uploaded it right when you see the icon. Here's the green post button. We're going to click post. And this is where we're going to add it into a portfolio that we set up at the very beginning when signing into myBlueprint. We're done. Here's more assignments that you can look at if you have time. Now from your home button, you can always click on your portfolio button, click on the class, and double check that your assignment is there. Here, you're going to notice that you can see comments that I put there for when I'm marking you. Also, if you made a mistake about the assignment, you can edit the assignment really easily by clicking the corner button and edit. If you did it by accident, you can close this window or you can re-upload files and hit post. And that's it. That's how you upload an assignment for me. Now remember, if you have any trouble, you can always just send me an email and I'll be happy to help you.